Hello guys! Today, I will show you how to use clone command in Minecraft. For cloning, you need to have the operator enabled. Press F3. Now note the coordinates of the lower corner of your structure that you want to clone. Now note the coordinates of the upper corner of your structure. Now type /clone space the 3 coordinate we noted earlier. Make sure you space among them. Now just press Enter. You can see our structure is cloned properly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.